I make a lot of reels regarding this. I break myths. I make a lot of reels कि नहीं thrift stores are not dirty. ये बहुत बड़ा myth है लोगों के दिमाग में that
Right.
the thrifted clothes are dirty. वो किसी के used किए हुए होते हैं. But to be very very honest, these clothes are not actually used. These are rejected items, and I've said this so like million times on this page
Okay.
that सारे कपड़े they are not pre-loved. Most of them are rejected item. That means that some would have been rejected for let's say just a small tag जो हमारे कपड़ों में पीछे लगा होता है. कोई small कपड़ा होता है उसके ऊपर medium tag लग गया. It is not worn. बट वो कंपनी ने जब व्हेन दे वर गोइंग थ्रू द क्वालिटी चेक्स एंड एवरीथिंग तो वो रिजेक्ट हो जाता है. रिजेक्ट होने के बाद कहाँ जाता है? इट स्ट्रेट गोज टू द लैंडफिल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. सो जो वेंडर्स होते हैं व्हाट दे डू इज दे एक्चुअली कॉन्टैक्ट एंड वो कहते हैं कि आप हमें दे दो, लेट अस ट्राई टू सेल इट एंड एवरीथिंग. So that's where we come in. We contact these vendors and get the clothings and everything. So this is like the main thing. And लोगों के दिमाग में ना there needs to be this. I want to break this myth कि ऐसा नहीं होता है. It's not that कपड़े पहने हुए होते हैं and everything. There was a reel in which I got a comment. A girl said कि I don't want to buy from a thrift store because मुझे नहीं पता वो कपड़े जो है उसके अंदर कोई disease तो नहीं है, like skin disease and everything.
Okay.
So at that point of time, I did not want to reply to that person. I said, okay, if this is what you want to think, okay, fine. She was not from India. But
हाँ.
the reality of this is that I don't think you understand the sanitization process that we go through. We wash it twice at home. First,
Yes.
after getting it. Second is after I'm done with the photo shoot. So
Hmm.
there's two. If the person requires it to be dry cleaned, we dry clean we do it on extra cost. So everything
Okay.
that you are getting is absolutely clean.